Hey there tech fans, Rick here again with a quick review of the brand new DJI Mic 2. In today's video, I'd like to show you the difference between using this microphone for audio and what a standard microphone sounds like that's mounted on top of my DSLR. Now right now I'm recording the audio through the Rode Video Mic Pro, which is on top of my Sony DSLR, and you can hear the quality of this audio. I've also triggered the internal recording on the Mic 2 so you can hear the difference between what the microphone sounds like about 4 feet away from me on top of that camera and what the microphone sounds like pinned to my lapel. Now the beauty of this is that this microphone can record internally as well as transmit to my DSLR at the same time. The advantage there is that I've got a safety track on the actual microphone in case there's some type of transmission problem between the microphone and the receiver, which can happen. I've been at a lot of conferences where there's a lot of other technology operating and it's interfered with that transmission between the microphone and the receiver. So having that backup track on the microphone itself means that when I get back to the editing room and I start listening to the audio, if I have dropouts, I already have another track of audio that's been saved on the microphone that I can download to my computer through the USB-C connection and use that audio instead. So right now I'm talking to you through the Rode Video Mic Pro and the audio quality is pretty good. Now I'm going to switch to the microphone I have on my lapel right here, the Mic 2. This is the audio quality you'll get from this microphone. Now, a couple of features that are important that are built into this microphone. It's a very sophisticated product. It has active noise canceling built in. So if you're outside and there's crinkling things or leaves falling or all kinds of noises, it'll knock down that background noise and focus on your voice and bring through the most crystal clear audio possible. It also can operate for up to 6 hours on a fully charged internal battery, and it has 8 gigs of internal memory, which will record up to 14 hours of 32-bit float audio on the microphone itself. So again, the beauty is when I'm out in the field and I'm transmitting audio to my DSLR, I hit the record button on the microphone as well, and that records a backup track, which is exactly the same as the audio being recorded on the camera. And that's all I really wanted to show you today. I think this DJI Mic 2 is a fantastic product. I've been using it ever since it was released, and it's just worked flawlessly for me. So hopefully you've enjoyed this quick review, and until next time, as always, stay nerdy.